Annyeong chingudeul. Today I'm going to do another unboxing because I bought a desktop and I put it here in the attic. So I need another speaker. So here it is. I ordered that coupon. It's a pillar speaker USB connector. So I'll show you what's inside. Here it is, pillar USB multimedia speaker select. So I'll open and I'll show you what's inside. Model is CSP 22200SU. So it comes with a manual. So it has a USB connector, and these are for the headset and for the mic. So I'm going to connect this my CPU. So you can see here the power button and then a volume. You can also connect the headset or mic here. And this is a sticker, which means it passed to the QC test. So I will remove this. And it has a special feature. It means this one, it's HS means if you're using headset, so you can touch this button, and if you want the speaker, so you can press the button select as well. So I'm going to connect my CPU. I'll put this to the USB. And this one for the mic and headset. Okay, it's done. So I will turn it on. So you see blue color of light shown, and then I want speaker, so I don't need to press, but if I will use headset I need to push the button. So I'll play one music and let's see. Nice. Loud and clear. So nice. Okay, so now I can do live streaming here at the attic with my speaker and my mic as well. So I hope you like this video, so please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Annyeong!